Hello, welcome back. So today we can check how ChatGPT will help in our odoo development. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI and that is designed to understand natural language and generate human-like responses. So currently what we are doing, if we have any doubt or if we don't know something, we will ask to our seniors, right? Instead of that, we can directly put into the ChatGPT. So that will give us an answer. So we can check an example, like we can ask what is odoo. Okay, so it gives an answer. Odoo is an open source enterprise resource planning software that offers a suite of business applications including customer relation management, etc. Okay, it gives an answer. So we can ask another question like is ChatGPT knows odoo development or not? We can ask that. Do you know odoo development? Yes, ChatGPT knows odoo development. So what it is saying, I have a knowledge of odoo development. Odoo is developed by Python. Okay, it gives an answer. It knows and it's describing how odoo development is. And okay, the next important question we can ask, like we all have doubt, like it will replace the developers or not. We can ask that. Will you replace odoo developers? I am designed to provide information and assistance to users, but I cannot replace human odoo developers. So don't worry guys, it will just assist you, but it will not replace the developers. Okay, then we can go to the main point, like how to develop odoo. For example, if you are a beginner, then we can ask how to create a module. We can specify the version. You can follow these general steps or create a new folder in your module. Then the second step will be create an init.py, then manifest.py, such as models, views, controllers. We need to define the models of your existing module. Then define the XML files, create controllers, test your module, then at last install the module to check it's working fine or not. Okay, let's check. We can create a module using ChatGPT. Like we can follow the same step what ChatGPT is saying. Okay, so we can ask ChatGPT to create a module. Create a simple module in odoo 15. Okay, it gives some answers, it giving some Python code. Once it's finished, we can copy paste the same. It's giving the XML files also. It's given the manifest, then the Python model, then the XML files. Okay, then we can follow the same. So what it's saying, we can look line by line. Create a new folder for your module in the add-ons folder of your odoo installation. Create a folder name my module. Okay, So I'm opening PyCharm. I'm opening the custom modules. Here I am creating a folder named my module. So what's the next step? Inside the my module folder, create a init.py file to make the folder a Python package. We can create the init file. So we can select Python file init.py. Okay, we have created the init file. Then create a manifest.py file in the my module. We can create that also. I'm creating manifest.py file. Okay. Okay, so it's saying create the manifest.py with the following code. So I'm just copying this code, then I'm pasting inside the manifest. Okay, what is next? Create a new folder models inside the my module folder. Okay, so I'm creating the new folder models. Create a new file called mymodel.py, and then we need to copy paste this code. I'm creating a Python file, then I'm copying this code, pasting inside my model. Okay, this code defines a new model called my model with two fields, name and description. Okay, then create a new folder called views. We can create the views. Create a new file. We can create this XML file also. So I'm creating this file mymodelviews.xml. Then inside that we need to copy paste this. Okay, I have copy pasted. This code defines a new form view for the my model mode. Update the manifest py with my model following code. Okay, so here we need to add the view in the manifest inside this data. Also, okay, so ChatGPT says this much only, so we can check this will work or not. So I'm saving this, then I'm restarting my server, then I'm going to the front end, apps. I need to activate the developer mode, update app history, then we can check my module is here or not. Okay, my module is here, so I'm installing this. There are some errors. Okay, it's saying model not found. Why model is not found? We have added init.py file, but we have not included the Python. So we have only added the init.py inside the module. We have not added inside the model. So what we need to do, we need to copy this. We need to paste inside the models also. Then we need to add this file into the init. Okay, so I have imported the files. The same way I need to do here. Okay, I have added this. Again I am restarting my server. Let's try it will install or not. Okay, it's successfully installed, but where we can see the new fields, because we can't see that because we have not added the menu. Okay, for that also we can ask to the ChatGPT, create new menu for the above module. So it will give you how to create a menu. Okay, we can see this. Okay, so it's saying create a new file called my module menu.xml. Inside the my module which is following the code. Okay, so we can create this new file. Inside the view I am creating a new file. I have created, so I need to copy this. Okay, then it's saying again create a new file called action.xml. I am creating that also. Then I have to copy paste this code. Okay, then update the manifest with this. Okay, I am copying this and pasting inside the manifest. Okay, so I'm restarting the server. Then I'm going to odoo apps, my module. I'm upgrading this. There are some errors, we can check. Okay, external ID not found in the system, my module.action my module. So we need to check where it is used. I'm searching this. So where the action my module is used, my model. Okay, action is used here. Action is defined here. My model actions, my model views. Okay, this is just a sequence issue. We can cut this and we can paste below this. Again I am restarting. I am trying to upgrade this. So we can check the menu is came or not. It's still not there. Why? Because we need to add the security also for my model, then only it will come. So for that also we can ask to ChatGPT, create Okay, so it gives a CSV file which we need to copy paste. So before that we need to create a new folder like security. Then we can copy this. We need to create a CSV file. Then we need to copy this, just paste. Also we need to put this CSV into the manifest. So I'm going to manifest. Okay, I have added the security also. Then again I am restarting, going to apps. I'm searching my module, upgrade. Then we can check it came. Yes, it came. So here you can see one new model. Inside that you can see the two names or two fields, name and description. So this is how we can use ChatGPT for our odoo development. It's not 100% accurate, but 80 to 90% accurate is this. So we can reduce the time for writing the code. So just we need to do is ask to ChatGPT, then copy paste the files. Also we can use ChatGPT in other ways, like if you have any questions, or if you want to know what's the functionality of a function, then you can just ask. For example, we can see we can check any functions inside sale. Okay, sale order. We can just check this. If you want to know what this function doing, and if you don't understand this function, then just copy this function. Then we can say explain the below odoo 15 function, comma, then the function. Let's see what it will provide. The function you provide is a method in odoo 15. So it will give you line by line. API depends. This decorator specifies that this method depends on the price total field. It's a one-to-many field. This means okay. So it's giving the explanation of each line. You will get the explanation of line by line, like what it is doing. So that you can came to know from ChatGPT. So what's the use? It will help us to reduce the time. Also, if you want to know something, if you want to know the meaning, if you want to know the functionality of any code, then it will explain. Also, what it will do, it will rearrange your code. Suppose I can write suppose I'm writing two lists. One is 1 2 3 4 5, another is okay. So if I want to check an element is which element is in the both list. So what I will do, if I am a fresher, then what I will do, I will use for loop. For I in A, again for I in B, if I equal to sorry, I can use another variable j. If I equal to j, then just print matching. Let's see this will work. Yes, 3 times it's matching. So we can just print the number also. Okay, so here I am used 2 for loops, then 1 if condition to check this. Let's see how ChatGPT will help us to reduce the number of lines. So you can say increase the code quality of the below Python code, then comma, we can copy paste this. Let's see what it will give. So it's saying here is an improved version of Python code with some modification to improve the code quality. Okay, so first okay, so this is the improved version of our code. So what we did, we have defined two lists. So here also it's defined two lists, but what we did, we defined two for loop, then inside one if condition, then we have printed the matching. So the same code, 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines code, it has reduced to 4 lines, that also using one special function. So we can check also, it will give you how it will improve the code quality. Like you can see the description, set of a dot intersection of b is used to find the intersection of two lists a and b, so which is more concise and efficient way to find the matching elements. So like this you can improve your code quality also. So you can learn more about the Python, or if you are using JavaScript in your odoo, then you will get all idea, you will get all description using this ChatGPT. So this is how we can use ChatGPT for our odoo development. Thank you.